Okay, today we're taking a look at my Auto World 4-gear pit kits. It's the Ford F100. I did show this truck before, but something happened to the video and it's not on my channel anymore. I also lost a few other videos, but so that's why I'm including this truck in with the other one. You can see I painted a light green, did a dark green inside the rim, or the wheel there, not the rim, sorry. Added some pinstriping decals that I already had. I tinted the back window just a hair, and I did add a driver and passenger in this one. Then just did a little wheel adjustment and traction magnet adjustment. So I think this one turned out really well. And then this is my latest one. I called it the Reaper. I think this turned out really well. You can see here on the back that I relocated the tail lights. I took them off the bed and mounted them to the bottom of the fenders. And then I added this bottom plate here underneath the tailgate and added 3 faux tail lights there. And then also the stacks, I added a little bit of length to them and made them all the same diameter from the top to the bottom. And I added this headache rack here on the back. So yeah, I think this truck turned out really well. You can see I did strip the chrome all the way off the wheels, repainted them black, and then added a red ring on the rim of the wheel. But I'm really happy with this one. I think it's one of my better customs. And we'll put them on the track and take them for a few laps. We'll start out with the green one since some of you seen it before. Now you can see it still runs great. And now we'll put the Reaper on there. See, this one's really smooth, and it's actually a little quieter than the other one. So, yeah, there you have it. My 2 custom F-150s with the 4-gear chassis. I think they both turned out great. I highly recommend this kit if you like Auto World. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. And please like, subscribe, and tune in to the next one.